Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. And today we're working on this Gledhill Electramate 2000. Now I've already done the diagnosis on this. The temperature on that is now going over 38 Celsius. So the fuses on that are blown. I've ordered the new fuse cases. I'm going to put them in and hopefully that'll sort the issue out. These are the new fuse. One of them is blown on the boiler, and so it's slowly running on one element. So as I'm changing one of them, I might as well just change both of them. So right now, what's the temperature on? Yeah, it's the maximum we do because one reading. Okay, now first of all, find the neutral. So here we got 250, 240. If you go to the next one, it's got no voltage there. It's got no voltage there. But even though the power is coming to it. Right. So that's how you know, and that one's faulty. So basically, we gotta change. Which one do you change?
On the left.
Yep. So because they're both there, I'm just gonna change them both.
Yeah,
So here anyway. Put it there. Have you got any?
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do first is switch the power back.
You got the other one, haven't you?
Yeah. What a good place to put it in. So we'll take this one out, take this one out, and get some more flat foam. See that thing? The clip there. Pull that up, and it should come out. There you go. Yeah,
Which clip?
this one here.
On the top.
Yeah. Press that up. See. Comes up. It's exactly the same as this one. And this here. And this is the faulty one. Okay, I think.
It's got two.
Yeah, it's got two in there. So they must have been blown in it.
Maybe that one's black.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yep, they're blown. Yeah. We just got the full kit on it anyway. Alright. Where's it? You got the other one?
No, you got it. You got it.
No.
You got it. You got it.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna get. So just making sure the both fuses are in there.
There's a bigger fuse as well.
Yeah, definitely. Okay. So what we're gonna do, just clips in. The clips in. This one also just clips in. That's it. I'm just gonna put these links in, and then we're gonna get out of here. Do you think I should have done this outside? And final one. Times like these, you like to be left-handed. And that's it. Ready? Let's switch the power on. This one.
Yeah.
Now we find out. 38, we're gonna wait. It's gotta go over 39 to 40, then I think it's working. No, I don't think it'd be a good idea testing with this, especially with 30 amp going through it.
Maybe Oxford demand.
Yeah, it's almost, storage water in there. Just want to see that go over 38. I've never seen it go over 38. Okay, let's repeat that. Before we gain nothing on that. Now we're getting 250. So there's power going to the second immersion heater now, and we'll find out what is happening. And it's on 38. As soon as it gets to 40, I think everything's working fine. Because before it wasn't going over 38 Celsius. Now I switched to 48 Celsius, so I think it's working fine now. I'll get to 70 later on.
Go on, mate.
This is a weekend.
Okay.
It was so sunny. I got a sunburn. I don't get tanned.
Oh, yeah.
I get burned.
Guys, this is my friend Zaya, the gangster of Spark Hill. Yeah. We both went to the same university, University of Spark Hill. Yeah, big off. Hi guys, I'm with my friend Zaya. We are now.
Went to university or some balik.
Oh.